Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. In this tutorial, we will learn how can we install WordPress on a live server in a simple way. Whatever you are beginner or have some experience, this tutorial will make the installation process easy for you. Let's get started. First of all, choose a hosting provider. The first step is to choose a reliable hosting provider that support WordPress. Here you can use Bluehost, SiteGround, HostGator or SiteGround. I'm using this hostever and sign up with an account and ensure that you have a hosting plan which meets WordPress all requirement. And then register a domain from your hosting provider or you can choose your domain from the other domain provider. Here I will use a subdomain, and then first of all go to your cPanel. This is my cPanel area. I need to log in there. Here I'm in my cPanel. I just log in here. As we say, we will work on a subdomain. Then go to the domain and create a new subdomain. I will add the name of subdomain like test1 and create. Here is our subdomain is ready. Then we'll go the cPanel again and click the WP toolkit. Here is the other site which we already created with WordPress, and then click install. And this is the installation path. Select HTTPS and choose your domain or subdomain. Then set title. Don't write here anything, because if you write here anything, then it will redirect in this prefix, suffix. And this is a website title, and this is the title. I'm lefting this one. You can add new title as well. This is the plugin and theme option. You can set a plugin or theme from here. This is the website language. You can choose any of the language as you want. Version, this is the current version of WordPress. You can install any kind of version of WordPress. And this is the admin, and the most important thing is here, WordPress administration. This is the username, and this is the password. I'm changing the password. And this is the admin email. Okay, then go to database. Write your database name. I'm writing the new one. This is the prefix. I'm lefting this as it is. And this is the username. And I'm writing the password of username like this. Okay. And then automatic update setting. I'm skip this one because I don't need this. If you click here, it will automatically update. Yes, and then here we all go and just click the install. It will take a little minute to install the WordPress. Here you can see our installation process is just it's configure all the necessary things. Okay, it's almost ready. Okay, then I minimize this one. It's complete. You see our new domain is coming here. And if we need to install plugin, but we don't need now, so thanks here. And if I go to my domain name, you can see this is a new domain. And if I log in with my username and password, this for my username. Okay, just forgot my username. This is my username and password, and I click remember me and log in. This is our new WordPress website, and from here you can customize your website. So this is the very simple way to install your WordPress. Hope you understand well. If you have any question, please write in comment section, and you can like and subscribe my channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.